Welcome once again. Selamat datang sekali lagi ke Le Meridien, Jakarta. This is our second stay at this hotel, and this time we have a suite room. We are now in the heart of Jakarta. That is why there is always noises from the city at the background. It's inevitable for a metropolitan like Jakarta. We are sitting now at the living room slash entertaining room, and it's rather spacious, but the decor is a little bit weird. Just look at this panel here. You would think that it's just a block of mirrors. You never guess what's behind these mirrors. If you take a closer look, it's actually a second bathroom. There's the sink and the toilet for the guests to use. Moving along, we will now take you further into our journey is to the bedrooms. Luckily, there is again a double door systems to block away all the noises from the corridors. Into here is the spacious master bedroom. It's rather cozy here, and not forgetting that there are actually two televisions, both are flat screen TVs. And moving along is the bathroom. This is actually where you do your morning brushings, evening cleanup, and leading on to it is the rather crampy, but it's good enough for us, the toilet with a separate bidet and a nice shower. And to conclude this, I need to do some urgency now. So I hope to see you real fast again. Until next time, bye!